In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a vendor name in Shopify easily and efficiently. We'll walk you through this process step by step, making it straightforward and stress-free, even if you're new to managing your Shopify store. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to navigate to the Shopify website. If you're unfamiliar with Shopify, it's a leading e-commerce platform that allows anyone to set up an online store and sell their products. Once you're at the site, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel. Enter your credentials, like your email address and password, to access your personalized store dashboard. Once you're in the admin panel, take a good look at the left sidebar. You'll see various options arranged clearly for your convenience. Now, you want to click on the Products tab, which is typically one of the top options on the list. Within this section, you'll find a complete inventory of your products, a crucial part of managing your online store. Now that you're in the Products section, the next step is to locate the product for which you want to change the vendor name. Depending on the size of your inventory, you might need to scroll through a few pages, or you can make use of the search bar to quickly find the specific item by typing in the product name or SKU. Once you've identified the right product, click on it to open the Product Details page. On the Product Details page, you'll find various fields containing important product information, including pricing, descriptions, and images. For our task today, you need to focus on the vendor field. This is where you can specify who supplies the product. You have a couple of choices here. You can either select an existing vendor from the drop-down menu, if it's already been added to your store, or you can type in a new vendor name directly into the field if you're updating or adding someone new. After you've made the necessary changes in the vendor field, it's essential to remember to click the Save button to ensure your updates are applied. This button is usually found at the top or bottom right of the page. Saving your changes is crucial because if you navigate away without doing so, you might lose the updates you just made. And that's it! You've successfully changed the vendor name for a product in Shopify. It's a simple but vital task to ensure your store remains organized and up-to-date with accurate vendor information. Thank you for following along, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher. Happy selling!